Hi guys, and welcome back to Frugal Cooking. Today is mayonnaise part 2. So, the different things that we can do with our mayonnaise. Today we're going to make 3 different sauces. The first one is going to be your classic Caesar. Now to make Caesar dressing, you're going to take a half a cup of our homemade mayo. Now if you pay attention to when they make Caesar dressing for you at the restaurant, they're basically starting out by making a mayonnaise. So we're actually condensing that step and actually making the mayonnaise ahead of time. This will save you a whole lot of time when you're trying to make this fresh. Now to our half a cup of mayonnaise, we're going to add about a teaspoon of anchovies. Now today I'm using an anchovy paste. Now I like using this stuff because it comes in a tube and it's actually resealable. So you're not actually going to let your product go bad. But if you want, you could use the canned anchovies and mince them up yourself. Now let's give this a quick whisk. And now let's add our seasoning. We're going to add about a tablespoon of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. Now in my opinion, it's better to buy the block Parmesan and grate it yourself instead of buying the stuff that you get in the bag in the dairy department. You get much more flavor from the actual block of Parmesan and doing the work yourself by grating it. Let's give this a whisk to incorporate all the flavors together. Let's just add a little salt and pepper for taste. Now you want to be mindful because if you watched my first video on how to make mayonnaise, you would know that we seasoned the mayonnaise with salt and pepper already. So just be mindful of that once you add your salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and transfer that to a deli container for quick and easy storage. And that's it. That's how you make Caesar dressing. Now the next sauce we're going to make is tartar sauce. Here we have some homemade pickles. Now if you guys want a tutorial on how to pickle your vegetables, leave a comment below and I'll get on that video as soon as I can. We're going to dice up about 1/8 of a cup of pickles to make our tartar sauce. Now let's add our diced pickles to our bowl. We're going to add about 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now this step here is purely optional. We're going to add a tablespoon of capers. Now capers are very expensive, so you may not want to use this unless you use it on more than one recipe. To buy a product that's so expensive just to make something that you may only use once or twice a week or once or twice a month may not be worth it. But to me, capers definitely make a difference in your food, especially your tartar sauce. It also tastes great on fish. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of dried dill. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. Let's give this a quick whisk. And this is your basic tartar sauce. Let's go ahead and transfer this tartar sauce to our deli container for quick and easy storage too. Let's just give our cutting board and our prep area a quick cleaning. It's always a good rule of thumb to clean as you go. This way you're not cross-contaminating your food or spreading germs. Now for our final sauce, we're going back and making another dressing. And this dressing is also a great dip for your hot wings. That's right, it's blue cheese. Here we have about a cup of mayonnaise left. And to it, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of diced blue cheese. Now the reason why we're going to dice this is because we want to make sure it's evenly distributed to the entire mayonnaise. Now with all these dressings and sauces, you want to make sure to prepare them at least a half an hour before you serve it in the cooler. This way it gives it a chance to infuse all the flavors together. And this way you're not just tasting mayonnaise with a hint of lemon or a hint of Dijon mustard. All the flavors will have an opportunity to infuse and make a wonderful product for you. Now let's give this a quick whisk and then fold it in. The reason why we fold it in this way, the blue cheese doesn't get stuck inside the whisk. Now for our seasoning, we're going to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of dried dill, and a teaspoon of parsley. That's a teaspoon of onion powder and a tablespoon of powdered garlic. Add your salt and pepper. And we're going to fold these in together. Now let's add this to our deli container. And don't forget to make the hot wings. Now here we have our three sauces. First, our Caesar dressing, our tartar sauce, and our blue cheese. Here's our Caesar dressing. Here's our tartar sauce. And here's our blue cheese dressing. Now here's an optional tip that may help you along the way. If you get these deli containers and you're making these three sauces all in the same week, I recommend you label and date your sauces. Because to the untrained eye, they could all look similar, and you don't want to make a Caesar salad and accidentally grab your tartar sauce. So it might be a better idea just to label your products when you put them in the fridge. Now these deli containers are relatively cheap. You can buy them on Amazon. So that's it, guys. This is your three sauces that you can make with mayonnaise. Now there's many more things that you can do with your mayonnaise, and we'll get to those in another video. But for right now, let's call it a day. Thanks for subscribing, guys. And like always, thanks for tuning in.